everyone, let us see how to make prawns pepper fry. Take some cleaned and deveined prawns or shrimps. Let us marinate the prawns. Apply red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Refer to the description to know the ingredients quantity. Marinate the prawns and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Heat a frying pan and add oil. After oil gets heated, add curry leaves. Add green chilies and dry red chilies. Fry for half a minute. Add onion and saute. After onion turns pinkish, add capsicum. Mix well. After capsicum is slightly cooked, add crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Mix well. After the raw aroma of garlic goes away, add marinated prawns and mix well. After prawns are slightly cooked, add black pepper powder, cumin powder and salt and mix well. This prawns pepper fry tastes spicy and delicious. You can alter the spice levels by adjusting the amount of chilies and black pepper powder. Serve it with a dash of lemon for the lemony pepper taste. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Delicious prawns pepper fry is ready. If you like the recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.